Chevrolet has released details for the 2024 Camaro, including a new collector's edition commemorating the sixth-generation model's final year. The collector's edition has black paint, special trim, different wheels, and other goodies. It costs between $4,995 and $5,995 for the standard models and $14,995 for the supercharged ones. As Chevy prepares to open orders for the sixth-generation Camaro's final model year, it's releasing a special collector's edition version of the muscle car. The 2024 Camaro Collector's Edition is an option package that brings special visuals including black paint, badging, different wheels, and other extras. It's available for the coupe and convertible and on the 1LT, LT, and 1SS trim levels. The supercharged ZL1 gets its own extra special collector's edition that will be limited to 350 units. The standard collector's edition package, which costs $4,995 for the 1LT, $5,495 for the LT1, and $5,995 for the 1SS, brings Panther black metallic paint, black stripes, 20-inch black wheels, the front splitter from the 1LE Performance package, and, on coupes at least, the ZL1's rear spoiler. Chevy is highlighting that the Camaro's original code name was Panther, not to be confused with Ford's Panther platform, of course by integrating Panther graphics into the Camaro badges on the doors and onto the steering wheel. There are also special floor mats and a welcome kit that includes 2 Camaro posters. For significantly more money, the ZL1's collector's edition upgrades include Panther matte black paint, a serialized badge notating which number the car is in the run of 350 units. Purchase of a ZL1 also includes a special Shinola watch meant to match the car. For the 1LT and LT1 trims, choosing the collector's edition also requires adding the RS package. This puts the all-in prices for coupe models at $39,440 for the 1LT collector's edition, $47,385 for the LT1 collector's edition, $49,890 for the 1SS collector's edition, and $89,990 for the ZL1 collector's edition. Chevy is also dropping the Camaro's available turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 base engine for 2024. This leaves the 335 horsepower 3.6-liter V6, the 455 HP 6.2-liter V8, and of course the ZL1's 650 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter V8. Base prices rise accordingly, to $32,495 for the LT Coupe and $38,495 for the LT Convertible. Orders for the 2024 model open June 15, and production will end in January 2024.